Here's a quick video on recording your workshop and exporting it to YouTube. For this project, you will be creating slides and writing a script, unless you're comfortable winging it. You'll record the video, either sequentially or synchronously, upload it to OneDrive, Google Drive, or YouTube, or any other platform. Click on Share and copy the link, and submit the link to Project One. I'm going to be sharing how you can record this using PowerPoint. PowerPoint has come a long way in the last few years. As I mentioned, the first step you might want to take is writing your script, unless you feel very comfortable talking to your slides. You can type your script in the notes section of each slide. Then click on Record, or go to the Record tab and record your slideshow, one slide at a time. Click on the red button to record and you'll get a 3-second countdown. As you can see, your notes show up above each slide. About 3 lines at a time show up when you're recording. More than that, you'll have to scroll as you record. You can also have animations if you want. They show up as you're recording as you've set them up, such as on click or after previous. You can also record your webcam if you'd like by clicking the video camera up top. The silhouette at the bottom gives you a couple more options, and there are more on the Record tab under Cameo. You can X out or hit Escape anytime to return to your slides. Notice after you've recorded, the red button is ghosted. You can redo your video on an individual slide or on all slides. This gives you a lot of flexibility. You can also clear the recordings on any slide or on all slides. For this project, once you've completed recording all your slides, which you can do individually and email to a compiler, the last team member should compile the slides and then click on Export to convert the presentation to an MP4 video. When you click on it, you'll get a screen like this. Save it where you can find it again, and then upload it to OneDrive, Google Drive, or your own YouTube channel, because the file will be too big to submit directly in my courses. Be sure to share the file and then send us the link in the Project One discussion board. Most earlier versions of PowerPoint that you're likely to have will also have a record function, but it may look a little different. Let me know if you have any problems. Post the link to your team video in the project discussion board. Your video will be posted to the Sustainability Students YouTube channel. Okay, now it's your turn. Once you've finished your slides, write your script if needed, record your slides, and send them to your team's compiler. The compiler should combine the slides into one file and export them. Upload them to the cloud, and then share and submit the link. Have fun!